Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutor LMS Academy. So as you might have heard or seen that Tutor LMS has now moved to its very own home with its all new website, tutorlms.com. Since we have a new website with a new menu and UI, we wanted to walk you all through how we can download and install Tutor LMS Pro after purchase, since things have changed a little now. So let's get right to it. Here we are at the landing page of the all new tutorlms.com. Now, to download Tutor LMS Pro, you need to be logged into the site with your account. It can be your old Themium account, as we have carried over all the accounts and all information onto the new site. Then we need to go to this drop down and click on Downloads. From this tab, you can download Tutor LMS Pro, or you can even open this menu and download any of the older versions of Tutor LMS if you want. So anyways, let's go ahead and download the latest Tutor LMS Pro, and in the bottom, we can also see the certificate builder download. So we'll download that as well. Okay, so before we move on, I want to show you all something new that we've had on this new site. So we now have an all new ticketing system to report issues directly to our support team. Any issues that you're facing on your journey of e-learning, just click to open a ticket to report it right away. Remember though, that you must have an active subscription to Tutor LMS to be able to create tickets. Anyways, moving on, we finally come to the subscriptions tab, and you'll be able to see all your active subscriptions to Tutor LMS from this page. And then we go to the licenses tab. On the licenses tab, we can copy the license keys for the websites that we've added our license code to. So first, we need to add our website over here. We click on the add website button, and you can select the plan that you have activated if you have more than one plan on the Tutor LMS site. And then you need to paste the URL of the site for which you are trying to activate the license of Tutor LMS. So just go ahead and paste the URL for the site that you want to activate the license and click submit. Once you click on submit, you'll see the license will be activated and you will have a license code for that site. You'll need to copy that license code. We'll now head back to WordPress backend to activate and paste this license basically onto the backend admin panel. In the WordPress backend panel, we first need to install and activate the Tutor LMS free version, followed by uploading the pro version that we've just downloaded, because Tutor LMS requires having both the free and the pro versions installed and activated together. So just go to install plugins and search for Tutor LMS to install and activate the free version, and then just click on upload plugin to upload the pro version that we had downloaded from the Tutor LMS website. After you have both of them installed and activated, we now need to go to Tutor LMS Pro, click on licenses, and on this text box, we can add our copied license key. Simply paste the license key. Once you add your license key, click this button, and with that, you will have activated your Tutor LMS Pro license. And there you go, it's done. So thank you everyone for watching this video. We hope this helped you out. If you have any difficulties with Tutor LMS at all, be sure to let us know in the comments. And as always, have a good one, everyone.